Welcome back to Entrepreneur Hacks, where we help you maximize your business potential. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic, how to use AI to tighten your offer in just one afternoon. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, your product is great, but your sales aren't. You've done everything right, but something feels off. What if I told you that in just one afternoon, you could refine your offer using AI, making it irresistible to your audience? Let's get into it. Many founders struggle with crafting an offer that resonates. You might have a fantastic product, but if your offer isn't clear or compelling, potential customers will walk away. The problem isn't just about the product, it's about how you communicate its value. This is where AI comes into play. Here's a simple framework to tighten your offer using AI. 1. Understanding your audience. Use AI tools to analyze customer data and feedback. 2. Refining your value proposition. Leverage AI to generate compelling messaging that highlights benefits. 3. Testing and iterating. Utilize AI-driven insights to A/B test different versions of your offer. Let's break it down step by step. Start by gathering data. Use AI analytics tools like Google Analytics or social listening platforms like BrandWatch to understand customer behavior and preferences. Example: let's say you run an online course platform. By analyzing customer reviews and engagement metrics, you discover that your audience values community support more than course content. This insight is gold. Next, use AI content generators like Copy AI or Jasper to create compelling copy. Input your audience insights and let AI suggest messaging that resonates. Example: continuing with our online course platform, if community support is a key value, your offer might shift from access to 50+ courses to join a thriving community of learners with 24/7 support. This shift can dramatically enhance the appeal of your offer. Finally, it's time to test. Use AI tools like Optimizely to A/B test your new offer. Set up 2 different versions, one with the original offer and one with the refined messaging. Let the data guide you. You run both offers for a week and find that the community-focused offer converts 30% better. This is proof that your AI-enhanced offer is on point. Now, it's your turn. Take action this afternoon. Gather your customer data, refine your offer with AI, and start testing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share your experiences in the comments below about how AI has transformed your offers. Let's empower each other to build better businesses together. Until next time, keep hustling.